we were in our early days and Golden Rule stepped in early. Golden Rule's involvement, I mean, it's just like the name, Golden Rule. They treated us how you should treat other people. My name is Jeramie Eginoire. I'm the founder and president of Folds of Honor, Iowa. We established our chapter here in Iowa about 1.5 years ago. Folds of Honor provides scholarships to the families, the children, the spouses of Iowa's fallen and disabled military service members and first responders. Being able to show the families of those who have sacrificed so much for us that we have their backs, that we have not forgotten their family member's sacrifice. It wasn't in vain, and because they had our backs overseas or in our community, we're gonna have their families' backs here at home. I met Bobby with Golden Rule. We were both on Hello Iowa on WHO, and he asked to talk to me a little bit after we were both being interviewed there. And he said, hey, reach out to Golden Rule. Maybe there's something we can do together. So once our chapter was up and running, I reached back out to Bobby, said, hey, our chapter's ready. If Golden Rule wants to be a part of this, we would love to have you. And we were in our early days, and Golden Rule stepped in early, and that helped us to get off the ground, to get some name recognition, because Golden Rule shared our organization, our mission on their social media. For the 2025-2026 school year, Folds of Honor was able to award 45 Iowans with those scholarships. So that is just showing the impact that Golden Rule, that Folds of Honor, that other organizations that are jumping on board, the impact is happening right now. If you want to get involved with Folds of Honor and Folds of Honor Iowa, reach out to us. We'd be happy to work with you.